Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're going to show you how to install your new Dekoni audio earpads for the Abyss Diana. The first step is to remove the old earpads. You can do this by tugging the earpad away from the ear cup. They are held in place by magnets and should be easy to decouple. Once you've removed both earpads, the next step is to open up your new Dekoni audio earpads. Both earpads are symmetrical. You'll notice on the back of the earpad that there's holes for positioning the earpad. But also, take note of the angle of the earpad. This is important to the comfort and sound signature of the headphone. The thickest part of the earpad should be at the bottom back corner of the headphone. On the headphone, there's silver pegs that'll line up the earpad perfectly. Now, slowly attach your earpad to the ear cup. Now, repeat this process once more for the other side. Now enjoy your new Dekoni audio earpads for the Abyss Diana.